Hey folks, it's Alan Siegler.
And Mark Burley.
Mark, tell us about Clinical Specialty.
Clinical Specialty is a really cool event because it's for those students who are interested in health careers that HOSA doesn't currently have a competitive event for. This is kind of that event. And what that means is that if a student wanted to do nursing assisting or CPR, if they wanted to do dental, there are events for that. But let's say they wanted to be a
Occupational therapist.
Right.
Yeah, occupational therapy, I had the opportunity to see a student compete. And their skill that they selected for this event was actually putting on a sock with a device that an occupational therapist used. And so they got to perform this skill for this event because it was not already offered in our competitive events.
Okay.
So on that note, you'll create a portfolio as the first part of your event. And that portfolio is 12 to 13 pages. And the whole purpose of the portfolio is to show that you've researched the career and that you've had some work-based learning experience. In the event guidelines, there are detailed instructions about the portfolio, such as you have to have a cover page, a resume, interview, professional association that relates to the career you're picking on. And then from there, you go into the judges.
Right, so at that point there's an interview with some judges, and the judges will have some time to look over your portfolio, and then they have an opportunity to sit down and do an interview with you. At that point, you will be able to demonstrate the skills that you actually learned in that particular event, or that skill that you were learning with that professional. And then the interviewer will ask you some questions.
Yeah. And what's great about this is you have time to create the portfolio before you come to the competition.
Right.
So you'll do all that beforehand and then come to the competition, and that's when you do your interview and demonstrate your skill.
And that's Clinical Specialty. Thanks.